If you unlock your phone and have a look, how many apps do you see? Does that make you feel that you are dependent on those apps? But they definitely make your life more easy and convenient, don't they? There's one app for everything. There's no dearth of the availability of apps. You can use apps for ordering food. You can use apps to make your to-do list. You use apps to play music and several other activities in your day-to-day life as well. Similarly, there are apps in the field of project management that basically make things more convenient for project managers and the team as well. Clickup and Jira are such two apps that are very popular in this field. Today, let's dive into these and see the comparison between the two to check which one of them has an upper hand over the other. Beginning with the Clickup software, it basically focuses on simplifying the tasks of the project so that the team members have a structure of the project to work on. The various templates that it provides us with helps the team members to make notes, to create a plan of the project along with the project manager. You can even assign tasks to individuals within the lifespan of the project so that everybody knows what duties and tasks they should be working on. This makes the implementation of the project much smoother and much convenient. But that's not it. ClickUp integrates Google Docs and Google Sheets in its software so that the tracking of progress of the goals of the project as well as the individual tasks that are assigned is made easier. You can also schedule and plan the timeline of the project through the software. It also provides with an inbox feature so that you can chat with your team members. Now this is a very important feature according to me because it avoids any confusions and helps transparent and smoother communication among the team members, which is definitely very beneficial for the project. Not getting a lot into the Jira software because we already have a video. If you haven't checked it out, here's the link for it. But to talk about it in brief, Jira is an open and integrated software that provides free access of plans to up to 10 members. But now you may ask me, Shmeet, how are ClickUp and Jira different? Here's the thing. There are a few features in Jira that are unavailable in ClickUp. Let me talk about those with you. One of the biggest features that stands out according to me is that Jira can be customized according to your project's needs, according to your needs and as per your likes and dislikes. But ClickUp is not very flexible in these terms. The second point being that Jira provides features and plans for multiple varieties of projects, be it a business related project, a software related project or even an IT based project. But ClickUp again fails in this feature. With the current trends and changing work patterns in the project management field, organizations are shifting their focus more on agile methodologies and projects. Jira provides multiple agile reports for the projects, whereas ClickUp fails in this area. Jira also makes the team members and the project managers design their own workflows that are flexible during the life cycle of the project. The ClickUp software doesn't provide any such facility to design workflows. Another feature unavailable in ClickUp but is important and provided by Jira is the feature to save the searches that you have made. Jira does this with the help of machine learning and Jira query language, also called JQL. How this helps you is that you can go back to these searches which will help you in your future upcoming projects, so you can keep revisiting them. We all know that the most essential component in the implementation and completion of a project is meeting the deadlines and finishing our goals within those deadlines. Jira allows you to create roadmaps so that you can see the deadlines and make successful submission of the project and the tasks alongside within those deadlines. As I mentioned before, Jira is a great platform to help you communicate with your team members. Now, it shows you the deadlines available. It shows you the status and the progress of any task that might be incomplete and of the overall project. So you can communicate with your team members about completing a particular task in case they are lagging or if the due date is near. If you now come to answer whether Jira is better or ClickUp, going through this list of features, I'm sure you have your answer. ClickUp definitely serves better to its audience with the wide variety of features that it provides and the flexibility of them. But one software suits one project, but the other might suit the other project. So it's totally up to what your workflow is, what your requirements are, and what your project needs. Our score goes to Jira. Let us know in the comments which one do you opt for. I really hope that this video helped you gain some clarity about ClickUp and Jira and how these apps in project management basically help you. For more such videos on project management, check out our YouTube channel, Pixel Labs. And if you're interested to learn more about project management, don't forget to check the link in our description, which will direct you to a book that can help you gain a lot more knowledge.